Hey Shawty, welcome to my series Batter and Banter, where I'll be baking and talking about whatever is on my mind. As you can see, the utensils are really dirty because I had baked before deciding to shoot this video, so let's ignore that. Shawty, I have the immune system of a dandelion. One wrong blow in the wind, I'm suddenly sick for 40 days and 40 nights. I need to write the second draft of the short film I'm co-writing, but here I am sick in bed. You know when you're sick and you just think to yourself like, man, I should have taken care of my body while I was still healthy? And then when you are healthy again, you start neglecting your body and then you're back to square one. You gotta pick a poison in life, guys. Like some people's poison is coffee or smoking or alcohol. Mine is sweets. I love sweets. Anyways, I made banana bread today. Okay, bye.